Planet Fitness Sign Up tutorial. If you want to sign up on Planet Fitness, download the Planet Fitness application on your mobile phone and simply launch it. Once you launch the Planet Fitness app, these are the options that you should be able to see. So here it says explore the app or login. So if I go to the login button, normally I need to have an account to log in, but since I don't have an account, from the bottom you can see the option that says new to the app, create an account. So just tap on the create an account menu. Now simply choose the first name of your account and also make sure to choose the last name for your account. Then choose your country or region, right? So there are different country and region to choose from where Planet Fitness is available. Then tap on next. Choose the email address that you'd like to use for your Planet Fitness account. Make sure you have access to this email and tap on next again. Now it might actually send a verification code to this email, and once it's done that, it will go ahead and then basically sign you up, and once you choose your password, your Planet Fitness account will be successfully created. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.